Welcome back. Angie Horkan with the Wisconsin Beef Council joins us, and she's helping us out as we know this is kind of a busy season for a lot of families, so you are helping us kind of alleviate that a little bit.
I'm going to try. So I picked some really nice, easy meals, fairly fast, 30-35 minutes. But
Perfect.
then also, too, I like to pick kid-friendly meals this time of year because the kids are stressed out enough, like getting back in their routine and sitting in the classroom all day. Give them something they're really going to enjoy.
And look forward to.
And look forward to for dinner, right. So I've got taco egg rolls.
Yum.
Who doesn't love a new version of a taco? This is kind of fun because it's really simple, just your simple taco filling.
Okay.
So I used ground sirloin. I did one small onion, diced it up, browned it, and then some taco seasoning. Now, you could definitely do a taco night, double your taco filling, your taco meat,
yeah,
and then save some. And the kids could even make they're made in the air fryer. So very easy.
Very easy.
About 6 minutes in the air fryer. But yeah, otherwise just make a fresh batch of taco meat. Great for game day too.
Oh, for sure.
Don't forget about that. we're in full swing there.
Yes, we are.
Serve with some salsa, some guac, some sour cream, whatever you like. But yeah, in the air fryer.
I love that.
Yeah, so 1 pound of ground beef will make about 10 egg rolls.
Perfect.
And they're fun. Who doesn't love eating an egg roll with your hands?
Something different too.
It is.
Quick and easy.
Yeah. Okay, second recipe is a skillet meal. You can do the whole thing in the skillet. It's called our French onion meatball sub.
Yum.
So if you're a French onion soup fan, which I am.
I feel like the fall is perfect for that too.
Yes. So we've turned that into a meatball sub recipe. So I went ahead and did a pound of meatballs, and made 12. So they're pretty big. They're like 2 ounce
Those
meatballs.
are big.
Yeah. So kind of brown those up about 5 minutes. Then I have the onion soup mix in the meatball. Then I pull them out. Then I sauteed up just 1 large yellow onion. And then the gravy really is just brown gravy mix and water.
That's easy.
So the powder.
You got about 30 seconds, just FYI.
Top with cheese. Okay, and then save the best for last. Beef jerky granola bars.
Those look interesting.
Okay, so we threw some beef jerky in a granola bar recipe, homemade granola bars. 16 grams of protein per serving. It makes 16 servings, and it's a 9 by 13 pan. So how big is that? Couple,
Yeah.
Yeah. So kind of fun, yes. Some sunflower seeds, some quick oats, some chocolate chips, and then savory, chewy beef jerky in there.
Healthy.
It's pretty good.
Beeftips.com?
Beeftips.com.
Awesome. Angie, thank you so much.
Of
Good
course.
inspiration for fall. We love it.